Hi, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. So yesterday we had an A. What are we going to have today? Is it going to be an A piece or a B piece? Remember, the suns are A's and the B's are flowers. Did you say A? Let's check. Yes, we have a sun, which is an A. Alrighty. So, boys and girls. Oh, Miss Frank forgot to take down the date from yesterday, the days of the week from yesterday. I apologize. Oops. So let's all do this together. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. If today is Thursday, what was yesterday? Wednesday. Good. And if today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Friday. Awesome. All right. So tomorrow will be Friday. So let's say that together. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Good stuff. And if today is the 14th, what is the day before? The 13th. Good. And what is the day after? The 15th. Good. All right. Ready for our spiral review? I am. All right. Here are some Unifix cubes and here's a dividing line. Does this show a fair share of Unifix cubes if we cut them in half? Give it a check for yes and X for no. All right, I see that these are equally divided, so there's the same amount on either side, so it is showing a fair share. Awesome. Alrighty, here's my part whole math. Go ahead and figure out what this sentence is. All right, so how many do you see here in this part? 0. Good, I see 0. And how many do you see in this part? 4. Excellent. So 0 and 4 is 4. Good job, guys. 0 and 4 is 4. All right. What is 1 more than 67? That's a big number. I want you to think about it. All right. Who knows what 1 more than 67 is? I'll be able to tell if you've been practicing your count to 100 because you would know if you can count to 100. 67, 68. Good, and if I want to write a 68, first comes the 6, and then the 8. Awesome sauce. All right, so last question. We are going to count how many boys with magnets. How many? Go ahead and get some counting done. Ready yet? I'll give you a few more seconds. All right, let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I should hear you counting me. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I have 27 boys with magnets. Alrighty. Have a great day, boys and girls. This is where we finish. I love you. I miss you. And I hope we're together soon. Bye-bye.